This is the most necessary thing on the planet for me to record right now. Yes, I know. I know. I know. Oh! That was a little scary. Okay. What did I just put in my pocket? What did I just put in my pocket? Oh! 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 Guess what, Misty? Guess who has one too? And two? That's not fair. I get this one now. Yeah. Well, just check the audio, and I think it's working decent. Why do you look so wise? Why? I want to see what that looks like. I feel like it's not nearly as funny as I want it to be. I want Misty to do more cute things. She's not going to, though. I think she's done. She's tired now. Ouch. Oh. Hello. Hello. Do you look at my camera? You say hi to Daniel and Sam? Are you? You say hi to Daniel and Sam? Yes, you are. Why is my hand not doing pets anymore? How many licks are you gonna do to my camera? She's attacking my hand now. Oh, hello. Hello, Misty. Okay. That's good. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Maybe she's going to actually eat. She like never eats, it seems like. You eating? You're gonna eat? It's the last thing I make you do. Come on, Misty. Come on. You're gonna eat some food today. You ready? Misty. There you go. No, Misty. Over here. Misty, food. Misty! Why do you not eat? Why do you never eat, Misty? Can you come and eat some food? Eat some food? She'll eat it if I drop it right here, I bet. You know where she'll eat it? Misty! This side. Right here. Just gotta drop it on the floor and she'll eat it. Okay, maybe not. Maybe if I throw it at her. See, now she's like, what's this exciting stuff? Moving. Moving. Never mind, she's just looking at me like I'm stupid. See? Now she's just licking my hand because she tastes the food on it. Why is she licking my hand? Because there's food on it. Hello. Yellow. 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 Yes. Oh, that's water. I should probably move my phone away from that. Get some action shots. Meow. Meow. I think my camera's falling. Is it? Did my camera just fall? No, it's not falling. I was probably just hitting it a lot though. Oh. Okay, that's enough. Goodbye. Oh. Nachos.